This is Tanvi Kazmi with my news channel, See the World through Tanvi Kazmi. It's a very important news which I saw within a few days back, which is very shocking. Even I saw that before also many times that in a British, one of the city, there was a football soccer game was going on, and they are so much into soccer that during there something happened, and one was person was buried alive or they killed, burned alive. So that was very shocking to me, and I seen many times that in sports activities, the people get very emotional and they start not only killing and hate each other. And this is a very sad news. We are not here to play sports. Sports are just to entertain yourself, temporary to physical activity, but it has nothing to do with human life. You don't have to spend too much time in watching those. Many times there may not be the truth behind. Many times they may be lying to you, playing and losing match. So don't be too serious. Do not go for taking somebody's life or destroying property. This has to be very careful. Spectators of the world, the sports, there are a lot of lies behind. So do not be trapped with those something. It's okay if match is happening and one competing other, and if that somebody lose or win, that's great. But don't take it serious. This is not gonna help you in hereafter. And this life is short. We're born from nothing at liquid and we die within any time. There is no guarantee to live even one more day. So life is people are dying in 10 years, age of 10, 20, 30, 40. So don't kill yourself. Don't hate each other based on sports activity or based on this and that. These are nothing. Spend your time to help each other, love each other, feed each other. That's going to help you to live forever in the life in paradise. This life is short. So it was very uh, shocking for me to see a person burned alive in Britain over there. I hope this should stop now. Take care. God bless you all. Bye.